Okay, so we're going to work on the scan for vulnerabilities using the agent-based method for Linux. And so I'll just jump right into it. We just finished the Windows, so we're just going straight into Linux. So as usual, we create a virtual machine, but this time it's going to have to be created in Linux. Okay, and name, let's see, oops, cyber range, no. Okay, let me save this somewhere, because I'm pretty sure we'll need it. And this time we're going to choose Ubuntu server. I think this should work. Yep, one CPU, yep. And then we'll log in user password. And as usual, we'll use our lab test knee and cyber range or cybersec. Yep. Okay. Delete VM. Make sure it joins the cyber range VN and subnet. Ignore. Yeah, ignore none. Do this. Next. Disable boot diagnostics. Okay. Okay, let's create this. So while it creates, let's log into Tenable and start the next process. Initialize it. Okay. Create an agent group if one doesn't exist. Alright. Mm, yeah, create an agent group. Okay. Okay, so let's come back here and we need to SSH into so what do we use? We use PowerShell. Okay, so we copy the. I think this time we need a public IP address, right? So let's try the public IP address. And what we need to do is to open PowerShell. Run as admin. Let's run as admin just in case. Okay, and then let's do SSH. Let's do at. Before that, we have to do. I think it's lab test menu, right? Unless, yeah. Oh, okay, it worked. And the password is cybersec123. Okay, looks like we're in. That's cool. Then what next? Uh-huh. Okay, so we need to come here. We're supposed to log. Hold on. After this, we're supposed to create an agent group. All right. With Mrs. Agents, agent groups, and then add agent group. Okay, cool. Then let's call this. What name did I give to the other one? All right, let's call it Linux agent group. Oops. Let's save it. Um, okay, we need to create a triggered scan. Alright, so create a scan. No, Nessus agents. I think it's a basic scan in it. Yeah. And we will call this. And we will select our group. Oops. Yeah, this is us. Linux agent group. And then we'll turn to a triggered scan. And we use file name. And then we'll use the same thing. Start.txt. All right. Okay. Log into the virtual machine we did. You have to delete your known host file. Oh, this for Mac. That's fine. Log into Tenable. I have. So I guess I saved this. Start provisioning Tenable agents. Okay. So we go back to settings. Actually, let's check scans. See if I can find my template here. Linux scan test. Is it the one that I did? I have no idea. Is it? Yeah, that's the one I did. There's no other knee here, so this should be it. Alright, go to sensors. What's the task again? Log into Tenable, start provisioning a Tenable agent. Okay, copy the bash command. Okay. Okay, so this is R. And is this us? No, this isn't us. This is somebody else. Okay. Okay, add license agent, and then this is what we need. And in needing this, oops. All right, let's maybe turn this on a notch. Agent name and groups. I guess name equals agent name. Yeah, I guess I could take this out, like we did with the previous one, and just the group. And the group would be the name we gave our agents group, which is Linux agents group. Right. Okay. Okay. Start provisioning. Okay. Enter the administrative command. Copy the command within the browser. It looks like this in a notepad edit. Okay. Then in your virtual machine, first we need to do sudo I. Where's PowerShell? Alright. Oh wait. I guess I've been doing this offline the whole time. That's weird. Oh, not. I guess. But basically I open PowerShell and then oh crap. Do I have to do it all over again? I mean sure, why not? Let's do that again. Let's do PowerShell and run as administrator. I'll say yes. And I'll move this back up here. And I'll say host name. Check this, okay. Who am I? Okay, fair enough. And then let's just SSH into what's it? Lab test me at what was the I think there's a public IP. Let's enter. Let's see if this works. The password is cyber. Oops. That's wrong. Let's see. Let's see why. Interesting. Hmm. Okay, let's try this again. Uh, to the SSH, but instead, I don't know if this is case sensitive. I don't know if this part is case sensitive. So I'll try again and I'll do lab test me. Okay. And let's check and make sure this is the IP address. Alright, public 69 and 715.175. Okay. Okay. Alright. So let's try again. Ah, okay. So I guess it's case sensitive. Makes sense. So we're in, and what we're supposed to do? Log into the machine. Okay. Start provisioning. Supposed to copy this line. I think I did copy it enough. Edited already. Alright. Now we're here. Yeah, we've done all that. Okay. Sudo I. Sudo I. Is this space I? And I didn't check. Ah, yeah. Last root. Okay. And then we have to paste this command. Okay. So where is you? Here you are. I guess it's time to run. Alright, that's nice. So it's gonna take a while. I don't know how long it will take, so maybe I'll just pause it and wait till it's done, because judging by what I see here and what is here is gonna take a while. So I'll just pause it and come back to it. Okay, we're back, and so you can see it's confirmed just like it says over here. This is what we're gonna see. And the Nessus agent is now linked. It says it's linked. Maybe we can check it out from here. Linked agents. Do we see? Yep, we're online. That's nice. This is us. Okay. And what's next? Yeah. To trigger the scan. Okay. So let's see. We can first cd. Oh, huh. Ah, okay. We can see it here. Opt. Let's do npt. Ah, so. Uh-huh. Case sensitive. Mm-hmm. Now what's next? I guess that's it. I'll just Click enter, and then let's do ls. Oh, we could do this as well. ls. Okay. And we could do this. Could do touch start dot txt ls. Okay. And we can see that start.txt is in here. Cool. So to trigger the scan, so I guess this has triggered the scan. So let's go to scans and let's see our scan, which was here. It's triggered. Yep, just got triggered. 12 p.m. Okay, yeah, created at 3:20 a.m. Okay, I guess. I don't know. All right, that's been triggered. What's next? So we can change the directories and look inside until it goes away. We have to watch until it goes away. The problem is, let's see. Problem is you never know when it's gonna go. It could take 10 minutes, it could take 30 minutes, it could take 15 minutes, and so we just have to sit down and wait. In the meantime, let's go back to finishing what we have to do here. Go back to Tenable, observe the Nessus agent. We need to go and observe Nessus agents. What about them? Oh, I think we already did. We observed ours here. Yeah, ours is in here. Once your agent shows up, it'll take time to find vulnerabilities and populate. Check the scan and discover vulnerabilities like scans. Yeah. Mm. So I'm gonna skip these steps because it says optional. You can try to restart and assist agents to get it. I don't think we want to do that. Can view the status. Nah. So we just have to sit down and wait and just keep checking every few minutes and see. Alright, so the only thing left for us to do is to keep monitoring this until the start.txt disappears, and then maybe wait a couple on like 30 minutes as well to get some more scans, some more vulnerabilities populated into our scan engine, and then we would finish up by deleting the scan, the agents group, unlinking the agents, and then deleting the virtual machine. Yep, that's already linked. All right, cool. So we will be back when it's done. In the meantime, let's do it again. ls still here. So I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so we're back, and it seems um the file has been deleted. It got picked up. So if we do ls again, you can see there's nothing there. Let's do the ls space oops asht and nothing. So we're gone. That's great. What's the text say? Okay, watch it until the file disappears. This signifies local scan agent has begun. If it takes its time, oh, hold on. If it takes time, skip to the next step to see if the agent is showing up. We are done with this part. Okay, so let's just go to scans now. All right, and we'll check out this, and you can see that it's already picking up some vulnerabilities. There's a Linux scan enabled, and if we see all details, ah, so here we could see the vulnerabilities shown in here. All right, so nothing is jumping out to me that needs investigation directly from this side. That is cool. We have one critical. I'm guessing uh, an update would do. I don't know what these are, so maybe later I could export these and then ask ChatGPT what they do. Host packages. Okay. Okay. Mhm. We're done with this. Keep looking at it and reloading until the vulnerability populates, which we just did, and we have the vulnerabilities by plugin. Do we have them by assets though? Yeah. That's fine. Hmm. Okay. So it's gone. The vulnerabilities, the scan was triggered, and we found a couple of vulnerabilities, and so I think that's the end of the scan. I know here it says you can monitor this agents. Let us scan process on Linux version by typing top. I'm not sure what it means by that, but if I just type, I don't know, TOP, what does that do? Oh, so okay. So you get to monitor it from here. I don't understand what any of this means. It's just monitor, so I guess we could see it. And okay, I don't know what I'm looking at, but basically I think this is the CPU function, how much memory is taking. Uh, Resolution, I have no idea, but this is pretty cool. All right, and the local agents is done. Export the results if you want. Do we want? Sure. So we can maybe uh check it out sometime. Oh, okay, it's not done completely scanning, and so I don't think we can export. Might take a while. Yeah, there's no exporting this. At least not yet. It's gonna take a lot more time to do that, so I'll just trash it. We're done here. And then we will go to settings, sensors, S agents, and then over here we'll unlink it first. Perfect. So we are no longer in here. Then I go to groups. We just have to find our name. Oh wait, we didn't use our name. What did we call it? I think this was the one. Yep. The local scan finish exports. Delete your scan if you want. Delete your agents group. Done. Unlink your agents. Done. Now we delete the virtual machine. So we hit delete and we scroll down and hit delete again. Okay, so we're done deleting everything. All right, see ya.